Hey, it's Moab Adventure Condo. It's a snowy day today, but today we're going to go find Courthouse Wash panels. So you park at the Courthouse Wash parking area just over the Colorado River on 191. There's Moab in the distance. Arches National Park is that way. You want to follow the bike trail, cross over the bridge, and then you'll see the trail start just on the other side of the bridge. Let's go check it out. So parking area is right down here. It's a big parking area. Be pretty visible if there wasn't so much snow on the ground. Follow the bike path. You'll come down and then you'll see a trail that drops down right here. You'll walk around. There'll be a sign pointing to Courthouse Wash. There's a fairly obvious trail that's on the backside of this little hill. You come up, follow the trail. There's an info board, and then behind the info board is the actual panel right here.